Welcome back to One Good Thing. This week, I'm going to show you how to make your bed at home feel just as fancy and cozy as sleeping in a hotel.
First, let's talk mattresses. So, I like a sprung mattress. I have to admit, I'm not a big foam person, but don't let the mattress do it alone. I like to add a topper. Get yourself a soft topper. I got this one online. It is down. It gives your firm sprung mattress that soft, cozy feeling. Next, let's talk about sheets. Personally, I like a good, pure cotton sheet. I like linen too. Really, you just need a good, solid cotton sheet. And I also like, this is an indulgence, I get this fabric softener, Amaryllis, Emerald Amaryllis from Amazon, Germany. This stuff is killer and makes your bed smell so good. All right, let's talk about tucking. And this is what my mother taught me. Number one, get your sheets tucked in at the bottom. This is not complicated, but my mattress is heavy. Then you lift it up till you get the corner. This is called the hospital corner. And then you bring it back down over it and tuck it on top of itself. And that gives you your hospital corner, which holds your sheets nice and tight at the bottom. So then, get my duvet nice up to the top. I like to take my sheet, and look, this is just my personal approach. You could do it differently, but I like to take my sheet and I like to bring it down. That makes me feel like I'm in a hotel. Next, let's talk about duvets. I love a duvet. I think they're a great thing for a bed. They're light, they breathe, they keep you warm. You can get a thick one or a thin one. So I always have a duvet with a nice cover. Duvets are great for temperature control. They breathe, but they keep you warm. They're super simple. Next, let's talk pillows. Now, I'm not talking about decorative pillows. I'm talking about good sleeping. All you need are 2 pillows per person. One pillow is your firm pillow. This is for sleeping on your side. The other pillow is your soft, plush pillow. And this is for sleeping on your back or for anything else. But if you got one firm and one soft, you're good to go. Now, I don't like it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It should look comfortable. It should be cozy. So I don't want to stress anybody out. Last but not least, give yourself a nice blanket. This is wool. A little something to pull up if it's a cold night. Adds a little pizzazz to your bed. So there it is, Beds 101. I hope this helps you have a good, luxurious sleep at home. And if you have any other good ideas for One Good Thing, please send them to me in the comments below. And I'll see you next week. Could you try and play? Thanks. Oh! Hands, where were you today? I needed you. Oh, you got caught? Speeding ticket? Ha! Got caught red-handed. Well, there's always a first time.